explain the APP real-time scenarios 2, 3. First one I have a doubt.
Okay, see, regarding that APP scenarios, okay, I shared you details, right?
Yes, there is an answer also is there.
Difficult, do you know how to execute the program APP?
Yes, I know that how to execute that, but there is some gap.
Yes, tell me which one.
The first one.
During the payment run, we maintain one bank in F110. 1 minute, please.
First one and fifth one.
Okay. So outstanding for vendor invoice 1000. Vendor having 3 banks. Vendor given instruction that out of amount invoice 1500 pay to. Okay, 3 banks. You need to clear these 3 banks, right?
Yes, but one particular invoice, the amount should be deducted from 3 banks.
Yeah, 3 house banks.
So how that one possible? Because if we have a different kind of partner banks, we
need
can
to
select.
See here, we need to maintain bank key, bank account number.
Yes.
Okay. These are the things in the vendor master first.
Yes.
Okay, first we need to split the line item with the new payment request by using F-19. You know what is F.59?
Oh, that one I don't know. First time I'm hearing F.59.
That is partial clearing.
Okay.
Okay, see, this is a partial clearing through 3 banks.
Okay.
Okay, so you know how to clear the partial clearing?
Partial payments, okay. Partial clearing, that one I don't know.
Yeah, that is the problem. See, you can look at this block. See, this is partial clearing. Okay, so first you need to book the invoice and then clear through F-59, then F110. In the partial clearing, we can see this is the T code where we can split the document.
Your screen
if the invoice is 25,000, you can take 50,000.
The screen not shared.
Okay. Today I think we have a partial clearing session with our trainees. Okay, if it is possible, I will share that video in the chat box, how to clear through partial payments.
Okay.
See, can you see my screen? Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. Now.
Yes. See, maintain. Actually, so we need to maintain special GL indicator in FB keeping while doing the partial clearings. Then maintain program FBZP. So in FBZP is done. Then post one vendor invoice. Then so this invoice is 25,000. If you want to clear 20,000 only, that is possible. You just go to F-59 and instead of 25,000, you can take 20,000 only. It's a partial clearing. Then execute F110. Okay. So this is partial clearing. Initially, we need to set up special GL indicators first. Okay. So in interview, they will ask you the only how to. So what are the scenarios you have done? Then you can say these are the steps. Okay, so how we can do that in the system? You can check it out. Okay, yes. Possible. It's possible. If it is possible, I will share the video. Today we have demonstration on the partial clearing today's class. I will share you that video in the chat box. Okay.
Okay. First question.
You didn't do this scenario.
Sorry, sir.
You didn't do this scenario.
The partial clearing I have not done.
Through automatic payment program, we can clear partial also. Partial also. See, you can check it out. Okay, this is one scenario. The steps are only two steps. Only special GL indicator need to create as a P. Then book the invoice. Then go to F-59. Then F110. 3 steps only.
Yeah. Okay, I got it.
Okay, 3 steps only. It's not difficult. And so if you want to clear 3 invoices, you need to keep this bank, house banks of these 3 ranking 1. This is bank key, partner key. This is 3. 3 banks yes. You need to maintain this way.
Yeah, this bank.
See, in vendor master also ranking is there. This is the rank 1, rank 2, rank 3.
Yes. Oh, the first one.
First one, what is this? During the payment run, we maintain only one house bank in F110 in the maintain variant screen. During the payment run, we maintain only one house bank in a maintain variant screen. Suppose that 10 invoice, I want to pay one selected invoice, multiple invoice from different bank during the same payment run. Because I want, I don't want to run this invoice separately. Maintain house bank account manually proposal. Different payment method. I have maintained house bank payment run house bank. ICC. Okay, let me check. This scenario I have done last 2 years ago. I don't remember. I don't collect this. Let me see this. Okay, this is company code. This is document number 504. Okay, this is house bank. This is the second line item. Just like
This screen we can see in payment proposal F110.
Yes. The vendor payment method is star and house bank is city. Okay. So as you said, support there are 3 multiple invoices. So you want to pay different banks. You can assign house bank in vendor master and payment data. Okay, that's fine, right? Then adjust your F110 payment run variant accordingly. If you want to pay one vendor from ICICI, one vendor from HDFC, assign bank accordingly in master, then add those bank in payment run program variant. You can add multiple house banks in the variant. While executing the program, check out invoice vendor master house bank, then go method assigned to those house banks, make payment. So I think this is this one and this one is same, I think. Okay, same, I think same stuff.
Yeah, my question is, if we want to make the payments from different banks for different invoices, we have the option that while posting the invoice.
Let's say if you have 100,000 rupees, you want to clear the two house banks. That is also possible. Partner bank option is there, right? Partner bank.
Yes, that is the thing I'm saying.
That we can insert. Okay.
Yeah. The same question, I think first one is relates to same question. What I said, we can select it.
Most probably you will find only these questions only. Okay, in interview you will see only these questions only. Okay.
Last one, in 9th question, there is no answer.
How to clear USD with automatic? We can run APP for different company code. This is very easy. Okay, see. This is one invoice need to clear INR and one invoice need to clear USD. Okay, so for this
ranking order, there we need to give the foreign payment, I think.
Yes. this you need to check this configuration. Okay. So payment and company code. Hello. Can you hear me?
Now,
Hello?
now we're able to hear you.
1 minute. I'm getting connectivity error. Just give me. Is my voice clear? Hello. Is my voice clear?
Oh, yeah, now it is clear.
Okay. 1 minute. Actually, there is a power cut. Can you see my screen?
The screen was stuck. Maintain company code.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. There is a problem with my network. Just give me a moment. Now tell me, is my voice clear?
Yeah, it is fine, Chanu.
Okay, fine. Actually, there is power cut. Uh, Okay, can you see my screen?
No, no, yes, yes.
Okay. See, just go to FBZP. Okay, configuration is, okay, double click on the payment method in company code. Select these two options.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so if you want to clear foreign currency invoice, then select these three options. These three options are important. Okay, the next step is go to ranking order. Go to ranking order and go to take your payment method. Currency should be blank and don't give INR. If you want to clear the foreign currency invoice, then don't give INR in this place for the payment method. Just keep the blank. Okay, these are the two things. Okay, and go to payment method in country and go to India. Currencies allowed. Here you can, if you want to restrict currencies like USD, INR, those also we can restrict over here. These are the three configurations. If you perform, then you can resolve the issue.
Yeah, okay. I got it, Chanu.
Okay. Right. All right. Next, who will giving the presentation today?
Sir, I myself Tulsina, I will give you today.
Okay, you will give the presentation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't say about your client details first, okay?
Okay.
And so you can say XYZ, my client is XYZ, something else you can say.
Okay.
And don't mention your name, Tulsinath. You
Okay.
mention other name.
Okay.
Okay, and okay, don't explain your company details and etc. Okay, just give the short introduction, then you can start your presentation. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
right. On minute.
Okay. Um,
On minute.
okay. Sunil. Okay. I have 4.5 years of experience in towards SAP FICO. Okay.
Let me start because I have power cut issue today. 1 minute, 1 minute. Right now,
Hello.
power come again. Just
Is it
can you
audible?
hear me? Yeah, you are audible.
Is it
Can you
audible?
hear me or not? Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. I am connecting to.
Yes. Yes, can you hear me? Tulsinath. Hello. All of you guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, Tulsinath, can you hear me? Tulsinath.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me? Hello.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, can you hear me? You are
Okay.
audible.
Is audible? Okay. 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 I'm.
One minute,
I'm
1 minute.
Sunil.
Is my voice is audible or not? Please mention right now.
Okay. Is audible, sir?
Okay, fine. See, if it is audible, then let's start the session. Okay. Hi. Let me start the interview model.
Okay.
Okay. Hi. Hi. How are you?
I am fine, sir. Okay.
Okay. So first of all, I just want to know your self-introduction. Can you please say something about yourself?
Okay. I am myself Sunil. I am a semi-qualified chartered accountant. I have 4.5 relevant experience towards SAP FICO. I have done done one implementation and two supports and one testing project. My recent project is support project. It is a XNYZ company, and from there I have worked for my last project. I have worked for 1.25 years. Okay, that's all. My related stuff.
Okay, fine. Which is your strongest area in SAP FICO or S4HANA?
S4HANA.
Yeah,
Strong.
so S4HANA,
Okay.
just leave it. You can say which is your strongest area in SAP FICO?
FICO. Okay. I have done. Okay, I have done DME implementation. I participated in the DME implementations and configuration of IDOCs like that. And in implementation, I have participated in FIMI integration and FISD integrations also. Along with that, I have run the documents participated in DME document splitting configurations. And running those entries at the month end, like this, participating in month end activities and year end activities. Like this, I have participated.
Okay, great to know.
One second.
Okay.
Okay, right now. Okay. Tell me, is it audible?
Yes, you are audible. Okay. See, you told me that so you are involved into the document splitting concept, right?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me what kind of document splittings we have, And so if it is possible, give me an example how the document should be split.
Okay, normally document splitting generally means we proportionate the document line items of the document based upon the profit center or segment wise and business area. Like this, we proportion based upon rules. Like this, like purchase document, purchase order to different profit center, different cost centers like this, and sales orders to different business areas, profit center like this. We will be configured. Basically, document splitting are three types. One is passive splitting and active splitting and zero balance splitting. Passive splitting, when we when run towards passive splitting, it is for basically we use for bank transactions like payment transactions, when like vendor invoice payments like this. We are using this one. Okay, like this we are using that one. And active, when go towards active splitting, we use it is rule based splitting. We have to configure some rules and make it the default rules like this. We use it. We use this for running for purchase invoice, vendor invoice, and customer invoices like this. Transaction based transaction based documents. When we run transaction based documents, we use this active splitting. For example, like when we post vendor invoice, we use configuration which business area it has to assign proportionate or segment, which segment and profit center based upon the ratios and some we will give some ratio or proportionate or for like this we will configure, sir.
Okay.
And for a zero balance splitting, we use balancing the document at the month end. Like this, we use it one balancing the document based upon the specific characteristics. Like this, we use it one for credit and debits.
Okay.
While doing configuration, we have to, for doing this document splitting, we have to configure like that. Classify the GL account for document splitting and classify the document types based upon the transactions and then keys. Like this, we will give document type, and we will define the document splitting for the general ledger accounting and document splitting for the controlling accounts, and giving some non-constant like this. I think a defined constant for non-assigning processes like this, and after that we have to activate the document splitting. Like this, we have to configure document splitting.
Okay. So let's say, for example, I want to make a segment or profit center should be mandatory, should be constant, right? So if I do
Okay.
this in this document splitting configuration, what is the output? What is the impact?
I didn't get you. Come again.
Let's say, for example, I want the segment and profit center should be constant. There is one configuration is there, right? Document splitting constant. Okay,
Yes,
there I
right.
maintained one segment and profit center, default
Okay.
profit center and default cost center, default segment. Now,
Okay.
what is the impact while doing that configuration? What happened if I do this?
If we do this, okay, whenever you use some type of particular transactions, automatically it will come while creating the PO or while creating the customer invoice. Like this, defaultly it will take.
Okay, see, you are saying that PO, right? So PO, there is no transaction, right?
No
If there is no
transactions. Okay,
transaction,
when we pass the MIGO transactions, automatically it will pick up those constant, those segments and profit center.
okay, fine.
We have we can give specific codes for the document splitting. At the time we use that specific codes.
Okay, So is there any configuration required for the zero balance clearing account? What exactly the zero balance clearing account will do?
I'm not that much
Okay. Is
experience
there
on
any
that areas.
configuration required for zero balance clearing account?
Yes, yeah. We have to give clearing accounts.
The where? Okay.
We have to
Okay.
create clearing accounts.
We need to create the zero clearing or zero balance clearing account. We need to assign, right? We need to assign into document splitting configurations.
Yes.
Okay. There is one configuration is the zero balance clearing account assignment.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Tell me why this document splitting is required.
Okay, document splitting is required for actually for controlling purpose actually, for which profit center we can frame finance statements according to the cost profit center wise or business segment wise or control like this we can frame the finance statements. At a time we can at the time of passing financial document automatically we can pass control document also based
Oh,
upon the use for future purpose for budget and we can know the which business area is profitable, which business area not profitable. Like this we can make it is for reporting purpose and future purpose also.
okay, great. Okay, all right. So you told me that you have some experience in configuration of IDOC, right?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me what are the configurations are required to generate successful IDOC? From functional
um,
side, what are the configurations you have performed, and what are
okay.
the other configurations performed by other teams, and how many teams involvements will be there?
Okay. At the time, we have implementation and we have touch base with the all teams like ABAP team and basis team, and we also we had to touch base with also interface team and bank team also. Okay, for creation of okay from my side, we have created partner profiles. It is my I participated in creation of partner profiles. There the T code is W20. After creating the partners in partner profiles, we will link that one to we link that for message types and IDOC types in partner profiles. We can give we can okay. 1 second. Okay, the other teams like the teams basis team will take care of our RFC destinations and port creations and the logical system creation. Like they will take care about that. And ABAP team they will take care about segment creation for the IDOC in data records and and other connectivity related configuration they will ABAP team will take care about that. And we while creating partner profiles we have to know that which type of message I have to send and pass. There are several message types are there. Material for material master we have mat mass, customer master, dev mass, and vendor master, cremas, and invoices and other orders and invoices are there. For processing for pushing that IDOC message to other logical system, we have T codes like BDI. BD10 for materials and BD12 for customers and BD14 for vendors. Like this, we are using messages. Okay, like this, we will configure.
Okay, fine. So I want to do IDOC deletion. Is it possible?
Yes, it is possible, but I have not done that one.
Shall I reverse the IDOC?
Yes, we will revert the we will reprocess the
No,
IDOC. Yeah.
my question is, shall I reverse the IDOC? Reverse.
Yes.
Okay. Then which
We
T
can
code
revert.
generally used for IDOC reversal?
IDOC reversal. I don't know, but we will make adjustment in W19. We will
Okay,
test the
W19 is
IDOC,
for test IDOC we can take and
test IDOC, and make
make
alternations.
changes.
After that, we reprocess with a different IDOC number.
Okay.
Whenever we have to reprocess the IDOC with minimal information alternation, we use that BD87
Okay.
like this.
Okay, what are the interfaces are connected with IDOC in your company?
Generally we use the tracks interface. Yeah.
Okay, let's say, for example, the IDOC details we can see in W02, right? So it is in
Yes.
yellow status. I want to make it green status, and also I need to send this IDOC file to interface. What
Okay.
is the process in your company?
Whenever we push the we use T codes like BD10, BD12, BD14 for pushing to IDOC to tracks team. Yeah, that interface team. After configuration, we will test that one.
Okay,
If
is
it is
it
okay,
in order to push that IDOC to interface, is there any customized T code has been developed or just
no,
like
not yet.
standard?
Okay. We have standard also. Okay. We use standard T codes for our company. Like
So in order
BD10,
to send IDOC
BD12.
file to interface, third party interface, then there should be customized T code. Okay, customized T code should be prepared for that. Okay, in what cases generally IDOC file should be rejected by the bank, and who will be responsible for that?
Okay. Bank rejected.
Sometimes
Normally
bank
bank.
will reject file format, right? In which cases generally bank will reject, and what could be the reasons, and who will be
Okay.
responsible for
Okay. While
bank?
passing the IDOC, we miss the SIFT code like IBAN number. We may give wrong SIFT code IBAN number like this. Whenever we
Okay.
give wrong numbers, they will revert back. We will make alter and reprocess that IDOC. Yeah.
Okay, if is there any bank no sufficient amount is there in bank?
If the bank does not have a sufficient balance, yeah,
That case,
we will make we will delete that IDOC and and create new IDOC here with
okay.
user permission. We will configure and create a new IDOC with new limits.
All right. Okay, let's
We will
move on to the DME. So you told me that you have some experience in DME configurations, right?
yes.
Yeah, tell me. So what is the process for implementation of DME from the scratch? And
Okay.
how often you involve with other teams and how you gather the information? What kind of blueprints or supporting documents that you have prepared? Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, actually DMA stands for data medium exchange, which is used for basically as per my our previous company. I have done that in implementation. We use that one for payment for the vendors and the customer payments also. Whenever a customer is also a vendor, in that case, we in BJP configuration while creating payment methods for country level, we will input that DME in payments method at country level. For creating DME, we used T code like we have SAP has provided so many DME formats, but DME formats as per business requirements and bank requirements. we can use that. We can use those bank those standard formats. Otherwise, you can use we can copy and make alterations to for our own judge structure. For creation of I have at the time of creating DME configuration, we have touch base with the treasury team and banking team and our banking team and outside bank team also. For creation of bank accounts, they will take care of a treasury team and bank team. They will open the bank master's data, bank master data. And as far of we have to create our configuration, we have configured in OBPM1 we have created payment medium, and in OBPM4 we have created variant and assign that variant to bank accounts and assign the and what we have created OBPM1 we have to configure with the variant. For creation of DME, we have T code or DME. There we can give we have to configure based upon the conditions. Like this, for creation of before going to configuration, we have several meetings with the bank teams and our client meetings are there. MO meetings are there. In the MO meetings, we will ask some general questions like what is their current payment process, how many bank accounts they are looking they have, for which bank account they are looking for DME creation. How many do you want to implement this DME for one code or one company code or at a company level like this? Payment, what are the we will gather a payment information from the client like field and field values and mapping those with each segment, field and field value mapping those each segment. From the bank side, we will ask which file format they are using and whether they're providing any sample file format, what are the requirements they needed for header record and tiler record and footer record, how frequently they are whether they have specific codes for to identify these DME transactions, how they get filed from the other customers usually like this. We will gather information after that. We regularly when we have frequent meetings, we will pass mails to them and get the sign of their consents from the meeting, and if there is any information additionally they give, we will give concern about we will consent to that information.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
That's fine. So you said which file format that you have implemented?
Okay, my previous client it is euro-based currency they are following. Okay, in euro-based currency SEPA
What
file
type
format
of
is
payment methods that SEPA payment should be applicable?
foreign payments and domestic payments because they are using.
Okay, so your client is located which country?
In Poland.
Poland.
Europe. Yes.
See, one thing, see, payments are happened through Poland currency to other currency, then maybe SEPA should not be applicable.
Yes.
Okay, for the domestic payment methods and the SEPA payment methods, generally this concept should be applicable, right?
Yes. For foreign payments only they are using a SEPA format.
Is there any, what is SWIFT?
What is SWIFT for Euro-based unions? They are using for to require payments through bank. They will require a SWIFT number and IBAN also.
Okay, so you said the configured DME SEPA file format. So how this file format has been structured?
SEPA file format.
Yeah. And how this file format has been structured. So there is a payment trailer, header trailer. Like that, in header trailer, what are the information that you configure? Payment trailer.
Header trailer. SEPA file format contains like Header tailor, it gives the information like vendor information, vendor bank accounts, and vendor their IBAN and their IBAN and shift codes are in the header code. In the trailer record, I think middle record, it contains the transactions informations like what is the invoice amount and dates and currency and quantity like this information they have. And another in footer record, like I don't have that much knowledge here because another footer record is there.
Okay. Okay, fine. You know the GRIR clearing, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so generally how the GRIR clearing should be happen, and tell me some scenarios which you have performed this activity.
Okay, GR account actually is clearing account. It is for to clear the open items. We open GRI clear account. It is used basically for the data for Migo transactions. Migo transactions. Whenever okay, goods receipt and invoice is not happened at the same moment and same time. We use it that one. GRIR clearing account. Whenever goods receipt happens, we use it. Whenever goods receipt happens, we pass the FI document like inventory account at GRIR clearing account. Whenever invoice receipt, we use that reverse the GRI account with vendor account like GRIR account at vendor account. Like this will happen. Use that one.
Okay. All right. See, there is one scenario. Let's say purchase order is 100 rupees. Okay. The quantity is 10 quantity, and per unit price is 100 rupees.
Okay.
And at the time of goods receipt, the price has been increased to 1 rupee. And the time of invoice, it is increased to 2 rupees. Okay, and in material master, I maintained moving average price. Okay.
Okay.
In this case, how this in this is what kind of journal entries or what is the accounting impact?
Okay, can I know the middle master moving price?
Yeah.
What is the
See,
price?
in Metal Master, moving price is 101. Sorry, 11 rupees
One.
only.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
PO price is 10 rupees.
See, let me give this example in chart. See, you can you see my screen?
Not able to see this here.
Okay, let's say for example, I have 10 quantity. It's 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees. Metal Master I maintained 110. Okay, in Metal Master I maintained 110, and the
Okay.
purchase order I have given 100 rupees. Okay, so
Okay.
now tell me what could be the journal entries.
Okay, you didn't say the invoice price. Huh?
Invoice price is 130 rupees.
130. Okay.
Yeah.
At the time of goods receipt, we are maintain the moving away price now.
Yeah.
We will moving price. Inventory account at to inventory account with 100 rupees. No. Price is different. We will configure it based upon the at the time of goods receipt. We use the PO price and inventory account at to 110 account. It is moving away price to GRI account 100 rupees. GRI account also 110 here. Confused. GRI account also 110 here.
Okay, is there any price difference account will hit on that place?
Okay, when you are using the moving average, there is no price difference account unless
Correct.
there is a inventory
Fine.
is not there.
Nice explanation. Now there is one thing. So you told me that you are participated FITMM, right? FITMM integration.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So tell me, what is the entry goods issued to production order?
Goods issued to person order. The movement type is 201, I think. 201.
Okay.
Transaction key is 201. Their goods issued for consumption account order to inventory account. The transaction keys are like GBB. That is for I think VOH. I think. Okay, that transaction key. Here for inventory, the transaction key is BSX.
Tell me some of the transaction keys.
Normally 101 for goods receipt and 102 for reversal of goods receipt, and 204 for goods issued for cost center, and 202 for reversal to that one, and 261 goods issued to internal order, and 262 reversal to that one.
Okay.
This much transaction keys I know.
Okay. See how the FI to MM integration flow will be. Okay. How the FI to MM integration flow will be starting? What is the starting point? Which model the starting point will come?
Okay. As far as business process, whenever we raise required required quantity for the production, they will raise a They will raise material requisition. After that, if the required quantities are not there, they will purchase the production. Purchasing team will raise um, purchase manager will raise PO order. After getting the quotations from the vendors, we will raise purchase order based upon the best price and best quantity. We at the time of purchase order raising, we don't have any we don't post any FI transaction. After getting the goods receipt, we will pass entry Migo entry. We will pass inventory account data to GRR account. After getting the receipt, after finalizing invoice verification, we will pass entry like vendor account data to inventory account. GRI account data to vendor account. After payment, whenever we make payment, we will pass entry like vendor account to bank clearing account.
Actually, the flow, I'm asking the question is how the flow will start FITMM integration. Like,
Okay,
which is the starting point? Which is the starting
okay. FIMM integration happens at the at OB base settings, that and Migo.
No,
It
flow.
happens at
Like,
Migo.
which is, see, what is the starting point? It's a goods receipt, right? It's a moment type. Based on the moment type, transaction should be flow, right? Transaction should become, then we need to assign the GL accounts in OB wise. What basis
Okay.
valuation class, valuation modifier? If
Okay.
anyone asks you where is the starting point, you can say moment type only. Okay.
Okay. I will tell
Starting
that.
point
Okay.
is moment type.
Okay.
And
FIMM
moment type, who
integrations.
will create the moment types?
They are patented main movement types, sir, because
Okay. So, and
there are so many predetermined movement types are there. There are standard movement types are there. We are not able to create that one. Okay, there are OB the FIMM integration happens at we will configure at OB settings. We will give account determination and GL accounts based upon the valuation modifier and valuation class. We will give GL accounts. Okay, we have a transaction key, and another condition also is based upon the transaction keys also. We will configure. Whenever we pass Migo transactions, it will pick up based upon the conditions what you have given based upon the movement type and transaction key, it will pick up the GL accounts automatically.
Okay, fine. Okay, this is the end of the interview. Thank you very much for sharing your knowledge to the group. I really appreciate almost you answered all of the questions, but need to improve some areas, right? That's the things you know very well, which areas you are lacking that. But anyhow, nice explanation. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is about today's mock test. Okay, see, just I need some feedback on this. How many people, like how is this interview? And is there any feedback on this? Is it tough or easy or what kind of level? Anyone?
Yeah, it's very, I think it's not very easy. Uh,
Okay, give your feedback at least, man. How is this interview? Yashpal, Asin, Sharat, Ram, Prashant, Naresh, Chandrasekhar, behaved.
As far as my opinion, sir, I have to improve my presentation skills, sir. Not
Okay.
in domain. The flow should be good. Actually, not in like that. What I explained.
Okay, see, regarding communication part, that's okay, that not a big deal. You can handle it in next time. There is no problem from your side, okay, regarding the communication. But see, at the time of explanation, even I'm also will struggle because you need to give the question to answer, right? That time everyone, so that time the word should not be come to our brain. So that's the reason it happens. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
Okay, next, who will explain next time? Sharath, are you ready? Ram, Prashant, Naresh, Chandrasekhar, RH Reddy, BH Reddy, Yasin Vasha. Who will tell?